going to show you how to fit the adjustable carbon. So we do these in carbon and black. So first of all, first things first, is we've had to change the Cooper S spoiler for a Mini 1 spoiler, which is what we've done there. And obviously we've got everything unpackaged, so bolts are all in there, brackets for the end for the adjustable bits. These come in black, I'm just going to demo these in red because they stand out a lot better for the video. Rivets and nuts which come with it. So there we go. So first things first, check everything goes together. So we've checked all that, we've dismantled it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just fit this up here and see what goes on there. What we need to do firstly is just put these on, mark those holes up there and get some riv nuts installed. So that's what we'll do. You can see there we've pre-marked that, so we're just going to drill those and then we can get some riv nuts fitted and we'll come back to you then. So you'll see there we've got the 2 holes drilled for the riv nuts which come with the kit, but what you will need to get is a riv nut kit. So obviously you can get these from Alfred's or you can borrow them from most garages, and what you're going to do is just insert the riv nut onto the end there. Once that's in, you then press that in on the boot lid and squeeze it together, and that will give you the nut thing. So we're going to go ahead and get that installed and then we'll come back to you. Right, so we've got these riv nuts in on both sides now, and we've checked obviously that they line up and the bolts go in there as they do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just construct the wing like I've done on this end. So you can see I put everything together but it's really loose. So obviously what we're going to do is get that on, get all the bolts in on the car, and then we can start doing everything up at that point. So I'll just construct that and I'll come back to you in a minute. Guys, so obviously those that always go, it doesn't fit. There you can see on the edges we've got it in. It's pretty tricky at this point because obviously I'm not trying to do it on my own and do the video. But I've got everything dead loose and I've got it in and lined up. So all I'm going to do now is put all the bolts in, get it to a point where it's held in place, if that makes sense, which Lauren's going to help me rather than video. And then I'll show you how we just tighten everything up together then. Okay guys, so once you've got it on there, obviously going to tighten these up with the Allen keys there. This still is a bit loose, but you can obviously at this point you can put that down. Just make sure that everything fits and it's not too, because they'll pull in obviously there. And that's it, it's just a matter of going around and tightening all your bolts one by one. Okay guys, so there we go, we've tightened all the bolts up, been round them all. As you can see, it's solid as a rock now. Got it on full adjustment. You can get these on our website, www.kilochrome.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Until the next time.